Hi guys, we're taking a road trip. She doesn't know where we're going. We're gonna go have fun. Gotta get out of the house because it's driving all of us crazy.
And it's a 3-hour drive. And
That's all I'm saying because
Florida?
no, that's 18 hours.
Oh yeah, I forgot. But if you haven't seen that video, go check it out.
We'll put it up here somewhere or down here. But when we get there, we'll show you guys where we're at. See you in a little while.
Well, we're almost there. 3.5 hours later. This is Kalahari, but that's not where we're staying. Angel and I went here a few years ago. They're pretty fun.
Hey, did you guys go there before?
Yep, a few years
Oh
ago.
yeah, that's where you gave me that slinky. And I always wanted to go on that big, huge slide. That purple slide. I always wanted to go on it. I actually want to go on that so bad. But we still don't know where we're going. I have no clue. Just 1,000 questions.
Just now starting to rain. But here, that's where we're going. Can't wait to go in. Looks like a lot of fun. Oh, I missed the sign, but it said Wisconsin Dells.
I've been seeing so many cheese signs.
So many cheese signs.
Yeah, but that's because Wisconsin is
Barbecue
famous for
place.
cheese.
No. My butt hurts.
Your butt hurts? I made him drive. I was really tired. So I was like, switch.
There's why I see so many cheese.
Sophie, do you have an idea where we're going?
You just looked right at the sign.
No.
What at the
Rainbow slide.
Yeah.
No, it's the one. It's kind of like the one where very first video.
This one's bigger.
Yeah, this one's bigger and a lot nicer than the other one.
My friend's been
A lot
this
more
one
to do.
before.
Yeah, I'm excited. So this wasn't the plan, but our room is not ready yet. So we're just gonna go hang out at the water park first. Yay! Oh, it's coming. Lily did not like that at all. Whoa. She's so cute in her little baby skirt. Lily, you're gonna go down the water slide? Come on down. Oh, the water scared her. Yay! So our room an hour later was finally ready. And yeah, we're all the way at the end of the hallway, of course. But whatever, it's fine. Alright, so here's room 400. We have these little thingies, wristband thingies. Haha.
Go, Lily.
Oh,
Wow, this is very nice.
my bed.
You wish. Hi. Let's see.
I said close.
There's our bathroom. Why is there's a phone in the bathroom?
That's kind of weird.
Just a basic bathroom. Little sink, microwave, fridge, TV.
You parked over there.
Nice big king size
What is
bed.
this room?
That's somebody else's room.
And this is a pull-out couch. I got a little seating area.
Ooh, look at this.
And then I was so excited about this balcony, not thinking that it was gonna face
The highway
the
and the wall.
lobby. Oh well. It's too cold to be out there anyway. That little hill is pretty though. Alright. Time to chill out. This is not get on.
Yeah, and
But what stinks is all of these are down. So that's a bummer. Hopefully it'll be back up tomorrow. It's a Badger. Whoa.
Whoa. A little fast.
That's a really fast elevator.
yeah, like Tower of Terror.
No. Tower of Terror's worse.
Oh.
We're in a restaurant. Ice cream.
They have a little ice cream place in the lobby
I
area.
want ice cream.
This is where we have to go to get the ears. We're gonna get the girls their ears. Cute little shop. Oh, they have like the spirit jerseys. They're like our Disney spirit jerseys, Sophie. That's cute. With the rose gold. Cute little tumbler.
Yeah, but yours is rose gold, mine is rainbow.
Mine is purple.
Yours is?
Yeah.
Oh.
Cute little stuffed animals.
These are like mine.
Yeah.
My name is Sarah.
Oh, these are cute little jammies.
Are you folks going okay this evening?
Yeah, we're good. Thank you. Bracelets, necklaces for the kids. My first water park.
Look at these. These are so cool.
They have a little Build-A-Bear shop in here as well. Very cute. Oh, look at little bear's outfit. What? Oh, they have a little cheerleader Build-A-Bear outfit. Cute. Little bathing suit. We gotta get our ears. We gotta get your ears, babe. Get your ears. Alright. Put your ears on. Yay! There you go. So cute. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All dark in the lobby now, which is super cute. It's about to be 8:15 and we are going to story time. Lily, did you get, it's supposed to be a little puppet that they're going to use during their story time? Is that cool? Yeah, it's like a little bug.
Every story night is very special at Great Wolf Lodge because story time is a time-honored tradition here. A time of night where we can all sit back, relax, after a long day of fun, excited to see each other and find out what the day had in store. Hey, Do you know what would be great to do on a beautiful morning like this? Said Wiley. An adventure? I like it. What does anyone else see in the trees? Birds? Flapping their wings like a bird? Oh, look at all those beautiful birds in the sky. One step closer, and she had the perfect shot. Sammy slowly. Oh, yes. How did you get out of that hole? Wiley asked. Simple. I had a little help. Moochie flew out of the hole and over the pack. Can you all fly your Moochie puppets high in the air? Moochie, Rachel said. Nope, Sammy explained with excitement. Remember those
Good job,
words?
Lily.
Rachel said, isn't nature great? Everyone cheer for nature.
Yay!
Now, for story
Thank
time,
you.
we'll be back here at 8:45 for a dance
you.
party if you want to join us then as well. We just have to clear up the rooms, get some sanitation done, but then we'll... Let's have a dance party. Come join the music, come everyone. Let's have a party. Dance party.
Tulip turn. So we're gonna put our hands up like so. Alternate them. Alternate them all sassy and
Come on, it's almost springtime, so let's make way for bright sunshine. Come on, let's get ready. It's almost spring.
break out. Good clap.
Soon the birds start chirping. Mother Nature says spring. Here we go.
Get ready for spring. Get ready for spring. Get ready for spring. Spring break out. Get ready for spring. Get ready for spring. Get ready for spring. Spring break out. Spring break out.
Everybody scream and shout spring. Come on, it's springtime, so let the sun shine down on you. Here at the break of dawn. The beat.
Dance to the front, dance to the back, dance all around with your great wolf pack. You know the moves just like you should. Now show 'em how we do it in the Great North Woods.
I said y'all ready?
Move down, do you dare? We got a brand new dance. Do you dare? Do you dare? Do you dare? Do you dare?
Well, that's going to do it for today. We hope you guys enjoyed day one of our little family vacation to Great Wolf Lodge, and expect a day two because we have another day here. So exciting. Just look at how pretty this is. I don't know. I thought it was cute. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.